Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, I will tell you how to write an informal email. So, what is an email? An email is a method of composing, sending, storing, and receiving messages over an electronic communication system. ईमेल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम है. वी कैन compose the messages, send the messages, store them, and also receive them. It is the cheapest means of communication. Email writing is similar to letter writing. There are two types of emails: formal email and informal email. I have already explained that in my previous video. So, informal email is written to any friends, family members, or relatives. Now look at the format of email writing. ये format formal and informal emails के लिए same है. So let's begin. सबसे पहले from आएगा. It means sender's email ID. Then after sender's email ID comes the receiver's email ID in two section. Then comes the CC, means carbon copy. Put the email address or addresses here if you are sending a copy for their information and you want everyone to explicitly see this. Next, then comes the BCC, means blind carbon copy. Put the email address here if you are sending them a copy and you do not want the other recipients to see that you sent it to this contact. After CC and BCC comes the subject. The subject line is what the reader sees in their inbox. If the subject line is misleading or missing information, your email may get read. The message may even be sent to spam. The more formal your email is, the more detailed your subject line should be. But beware of making your subject line too long. After subject comes the salutation, like write dear or respected. Now begin with the main content. Content should be divided into three paragraphs. First paragraph is the introductory para. Introduce yourself and the purpose of writing an email in brief. In second paragraph, it should include the matter in detail. In third paragraph, you have to conclude your email by mentioning the solution or conclusion. Then comes the complimentary closing or the ending statement. Then comes the sender's name, signature, and other contact details, if any. Now look at the solved example of informal email. The question is, you are Sakshi or Shikhar of F64 Mayur Vihar, Delhi. Your friend from Kolkata has invited to visit him or her after your examinations are over. Write an email to him or her expressing your inability to reach there. So basically, I have to write an email to my friend expressing my inability to reach there due to some reasons, and also I have to mention the reason. First of all comes the sender's email ID, that is sakshi_sharma@gmail.com. Then comes to tanvi.mehra@yahoo.co.in. Then CC or BCC is blank. It is up to you. If you want, then you can add the email addresses. Then comes the subject, that is inconvenience to visit Kolkata. Then comes the salutation, that is Dear Tanvi. Then comes the main content. How are you? I got your invitation. Thanks a lot for inviting me to visit you after my examinations. What a pleasure it would have been if I could have been with you for a few days. I am sorry I will not be able to come to Kolkata after my examinations are over, as I intend joining a computer graphics course during the holidays. I have already got myself registered for the course and have paid for the same. As you know, I wish to pursue a career in advertising, and this break between classes seemed a good time to pursue the course. I am also looking out for a part-time summer job in the children's library here. I promise to visit you during the puja break when Kolkata will be at its best. Yours lovingly, Sakshi. So, this was all about informal email writing. If you have any query regarding any topic, you can email me. My email ID is in the description box. I will explain some other topic in my next video. So, till then, stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.